In this Scratch tutorial, you will learn how to make an interactive project where your sprite asks for your name and greet you personally. Let's dive in. Watch this. When we click the green flag, our sprite asks, "What's your name?" And after we type in our name, like Sam, it responds with a friendly greeting, "Hello Sam." Let's quickly build this. First, we need a sprite. Simply by going to the sprite section and choose your sprite. Once you have chosen your sprite, now click on events and drag the block. When green flag, click to the code area. Next, go to the sensing category and drag the ask what's your name and wait block into the script. Now we want our sprite to greet us. Go to looks category and grab the say hello for 2 seconds block. But we are going to customize this greeting. So for that, head over to the operators section and find the join apple banana block. Drag this into the say block. We will use it to create our personalized message. In the first part of the join block, type hello. Don't forget to add a space after. Then, in the second part, go back to sensing and drag the answer block into the second slot. This will make the sprite say your name. And that's it. Now click the green flag to test. The sprite will ask for your name, and after you type it, it will greet you with a personal message. Super fun and easy. Try this out and add your own creative twist. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more Scratch tutorials. Let us know in the comments what would you like to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.